Every Sunday, I'm available at an open house somewhere in Madison County or one of the surrounding counties. And you can come and see me. But if you do, here are some thoughts on how you can make the best of that open house experience. Hey friends, it's Paula Tisch, your favorite Huntsville realtor. If you like these videos, please click that little bell and you'll get a notification every time one comes up. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm also available on all the socials at List with Paula. I'd love to connect with you there. How exactly, as a buyer, do you make the most out of an open house experience? What exactly should you do, okay? Here are 5 things that you should do every time you walk into an open house to help you get the best bang for your buck, even though they're free. Number 1, make a good first impression. Be kind and courteous and polite, and be serious about the experience of checking out this house. The agent is there to help you discover if this is the home for you. So be serious about your experience. Number 2, ask questions. Make a little list of questions that you have. Know what you're looking for. Know what your must-haves are and what your wanna-haves are. Know what you're looking for and don't be afraid to ask questions. If the agent doesn't know the answer, they will absolutely find it out for you. So know what you're looking for and ask some questions. Number 3, check for future issues. Look around at the ceilings, watch for previous water damage, look for repairs that have been made, look for cracks and things like that. And if you have a question about that, again, don't be afraid to ask, okay? Don't be afraid to ask the questions. Check for mold and uneven floors. And even if you want, ask and take pictures. That's okay as long as you ask permission. Number 4, check out the competition. Look at all the other people that are walking through the house. Are they serious? Are they competing for this house? Do you love this? Do they love this? Are we gonna be up against each other in a buyer's war here? Check it out. See what other people are thinking, saying, and commenting about the home. You gotta know where you stand. Are they serious? Are they taking notes? Are they taking pictures? Or are they just browsing and tire kicking or foundation kicking? Number 5, be memorable. Please sign in. It's for my safety and yours. Please sign in. Let us know who you were here and so that I can remember, and make yourself memorable. Have a conversation with me. Have a conversation with the agent. Tell them about your family. Tell them about whatever. Just make yourself memorable so that when you do make an offer on that house, they remember you. And when you are having that conversation with the agent, be honest. Are you working with an agent already? That's great, not a problem. Just be honest with me about it. I want your experience at an open house to be fabulous. And so do your homework, be prepared, and get out there and find your home. Because I want you to love where you live.